I am lost for words. I am so sad. If I turn around, you can see the waterfall in the geopark in the distance. And from this point, all the way back there, all these white color things are fragmented styrofoams. All of these are trash on the beach in the UNESCO Geopark. Look at all this. This is what I ate for breakfast today. This is a packaging of poppy cup noodle. It's all over the beach. Every feet of this beach has fragmented styrofoams. Every feet of it. This is unbelievable. Trash bin. So why don't you throw the trash in the trash bin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is still alive. So this is where the haze comes from. They burn everything and anything.